And just here we can now return the results. Let's say return. We're gonna return it as a string JSON. So we'll say JSON encode like this, results data. Yeah, like this. And here at the very end of the function, let's say every time we have an exception, let's catch it. We take the error. Here we can print it in the console section. Exception occurred. Let me correct this. So to fix this error here, it's very simple. So we're gonna come up here, we clear these imports, and here we make sure when we are importing this log, we take the second one. So the second one here, as you can see, it takes a string. So this one here. So make sure you pick the good one. If you pick this one here for the maths, it's not gonna work. So make sure you take this one here that receives a string message, just like this, and the error is gone. Okay guys, let's now generate the models that we're gonna need for our project. And all we have to do is to copy first this link here. You can just open your Chrome on your PC, and here let's copy this, let's paste this link there, and just below here you're gonna see this request here. It's gonna return 100 posts, so it's a get request, as you can see here. So let me click there. Yeah, as you can see here, we have a bunch of posts that are being displayed. They're coming from the server of this JSON placeholder type code, something like that. Yeah, it's good. So we can now copy only one object here, just like this. Let's copy this and open this website here. It's called JSON to Darts. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below, so don't worry about that. Let me do this, and yeah, let's say posts data model. Let me generate, and yeah, it's okay. As you can see here, we have our model that is being generated from this website. Now we can just copy this class here. You can do this, or you can just click here on this button saying copy Dart code to clipboard. Yeah, let me click there, and after that I'm gonna create a file here in the data folder and then models folder, and inside of here let me create a file that we're gonna call posts data model dot, just like this. And here I'm gonna paste this code. So let me remove all of these keywords everywhere, just like this. And after that I'm gonna generate some other functions. So the first one will be, let me say, post data model from JSON. It's gonna receive a string. Let me see, just like this. It's gonna return just like this. Yeah, it's okay.